Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is all about the beads designs for the summer and the spring season, handmade ideas, handmade crafts designs, easily available in different stores. So guys, easily amazing ideas, amazing crafts, amazing beads designs, handmade beads design, not the repeated designs, not the old designs. I try my best guys, only watch to you the simple creative ideas. Thank you so much guys to watch my video, to like the video, to share the video, and guys, if you are interested in my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment. One of the best collection are provided to you, and amazing designs and amazing crafts. So thank you, keep watching my channel on daily basis.